Today I'm going to show you how to swap out a blade on a Craftsman table saw. I'm replacing the old one with this 50-tooth Diablo blade. You can pick these up anywhere, Amazon, Home Depot. I'll put a link in the description. This blade is awesome at doing it all. And if you are a beginner woodworker, somebody who's on a budget, this is a great saw blade. It cuts plywood just fine. It rips 2x4s fine. It cuts hardwoods fine. Highly recommend this saw. Once you raise the saw blade up all the way, remove the throat plate. This doesn't have like a break or anything on it, so I found a piece of wood that would fit in between the teeth and loosen the arbor nut. It's going to be on there kind of tight, so try not to drop the nut because that happens, and pull off the old washer and then the old blade. All right, when installing, it's important to pay attention to the direction of the blade, otherwise it will not actually cut. And then install the washer and the nut. Doing the reverse, take your piece of wood and stick it in between the teeth. In between those sets of 5, there's a wider one, which is what I chose. And then tighten down the blade. Be careful not to slip here. It's easy to put your forearm across the front of the saw blade. After that, the throat plate goes right back on, and you're done. Hey, real quick, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Those 2 actions tells YouTube that this is a video worth showing to other people. I really appreciate it. Here I was checking for the levelness of the throat plate. In the 4 corners, there are little tiny Allen keys that you can adjust underneath, and it rests on a ridge, and that's how you level out that throat plate. One thing I wanted to check was how true my trunnion is. Trunnion. And so you mark a spot on the blade and go from the miter slot to the blade. Here I'm showing 3.97 inches. And now you take your blade and rotate it 180 degrees, or just about, so it's on the back side, same exact tooth that you measured, and do the same to the miter joint on the back side of the table. And I am at 3.97, so that is money.